Hi, I'm Diana from GoNaturalEnglish.com. I am your English coach and motivator. Who doesn't like music? I love music. I'm not a good singer or I don't play any instruments, but I love listening and singing along to music. Whether it's in English, Spanish, Portuguese, Mandarin, Korean, music is a great tool to improve your pronunciation and your vocabulary. That is exactly what I used to improve my English since I was very young. I started listening to music in English as young as I can remember, maybe 5 or 6 years old. At the time, I was living in my home country, Colombia, so I had no idea what I was saying. I remember I would start learning the songs without even trying. And you know what happened? My pronunciation was far better than my vocabulary. And I think that is a great place to start to not only improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, but your confidence. And that is what we're going to talk about today, is how I used music and how you can use music to improve your English. Tell me one of your favorite English songs that you have used before to learn English, or maybe just one of your favorite English songs. Comment down below, and also stick around at the end of this video and I will share with you the songs that I use to memorize, to show off at school, to show off that I knew English more than I really did. If you like these English tips that help you become fluent faster, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Some misconceptions I've heard about using music to learn English is that the songs are too fast, I don't have time to memorize any songs. And the problem with that is that you may be choosing a song that is not right for you. And also, when you listen to music, it shouldn't be a chore or study time. It should be something that you enjoy. You want to learn this song not because you want to memorize the vocabulary or learn the grammar. It's just for fun. So don't forget, when you are listening to music, it's for fun. You're not studying, you're just having fun. Why is music useful? First, it is so much easier than sitting down and memorizing flashcards like over and over and over. And also, it's easier than reading a book. Some people don't like reading, or it may be too complicated when you're just starting. So I think music is a lot more useful when you do it before you start reading, long books. I think it's a lot shorter to memorize some lyrics than having to memorize flashcards or read a ton of books. Some tips about choosing the right songs for you are: first, make sure that it is up to the speed of your English level. If you are a beginner, don't use something so fast like a rap song, some Eminem rap song. It's gonna take you forever and it will discourage you. Maybe pick a song that you already like singing or that you're interested in learning about. If you pick a random song just because, okay, I'm just gonna try to learn this song, you're not going to learn it. Make sure that you like it and that you enjoy singing this song. And a pro tip that I have used, I used to listen to a lot of Shakira, and no, that is not the songs that I'm going to mention you at the end of the video. This is another one. But I used to listen to a lot of Shakira because she had both English and Spanish albums. So although it is not a literal translation of the songs, I had a really easy time kind of being able not to translate, but to have it in context. So the song was in the same context. So when I listened to it in English, it wasn't as difficult. So I suggest to start, maybe think of a song that comes in your own language, your native language, and in English. And my last pro tip, Apple Music and karaoke apps are an amazing tool. Apple Music usually has the lyrics pulled up, so you can, I don't know exactly which part of the app, but there are many options with the song, within the song, that it allows you to pull up the lyrics. So you can sing along, or karaoke apps. That is great because if you start learning the song, you may not need the singer, so you just need the instrumental, and then you can start singing what you learned. So how to get started? I have used this method to learn English, to learn, well, I know a little bit of French, but I studied French in school, and that was one thing our teacher did every single week. We picked a song, and she printed out the lyrics for us to sing along. We didn't have to know what it meant, we just had to be able to keep up with the rhythm. So if it's too fast, then we need to pick something slower. Don't focus on what you don't know about the song. Focus on what you do know, so that way you'll understand the context of the song. If you understand 50%, that is amazing. That means that you actually know a little bit more than what you think, because by the context of the song, you'll understand even more words that may look unfamiliar, but because of the context of the song, you will be able to guess what certain words mean. Once you feel confident about the song, then start paying attention. Once you learn it, once you feel like you play the song, you start singing along. Once you're confident, then I would start paying attention to new words and start circling them, looking them up in the dictionary, or Google Translate is a lot easier. And start paying attention to grammar, to expressions, all of those things that you will hear on a daily basis. Some things you may not hear on a daily basis, but for the most part, it is a great tool to start learning different expressions and grammar without even trying, because you already know how to say it. You learned the song. So it's just keep paying attention to these things in the song. Listen to a very popular 80s song that I am sure that you've heard it. We will go through a little bit of it and go through some of the expressions, grammar, vocabulary that is in the song. And you can apply these tools in this specific way of doing it, but you can do it however you like, whatever is better for you. I will just show you how I do it and how it helped me do it, okay? It's called Manic Monday, and you can find the lyrics and the YouTube video on YouTube. It is a great tool. YouTube is great because you can watch, the live lyrics moving so you can keep up with the song. So I will go through some of the words of the song and see how you do. I'm going to read them and then you think to yourself, okay, what does this mean? Okay? So, it's just another manic Monday. Okay, Manic Monday. What do you think Manic Monday means? Manic is crazy. It's a busy, crazy Monday, as most Mondays are. They're very busy. So that's what that first line means. We'll go through a few lines and see how you do. I wish it was Sunday. Of course, I wish it was Sunday. That's easy. You hate Mondays. They're very crazy. You wish it was Sunday. Because that's my fun day. So, one of the expressions that are used here is Sunday fun day. So it just means Sundays are the fun days. Mondays are the manic days or the crazy days. My I don't have to run day. So fun day, Sunday, they're relaxing. I don't have to do anything. So the word says my I don't have to run day. So the day I don't have to run around like a crazy manic Monday. And then it repeats, it's just another manic Monday. Have to catch an early train. Got to be work by 9. So this is pretty basic English. So what I encourage you to do, it's not very hard to understand, I think. This is for probably an intermediate level. You can understand the base is very basic, have to catch an early train, got to be work by 9. So what I encourage those to do who are in like an intermediate level, I encourage you guys to start learning the lyrics of any song to start getting more fluent. Because once you start like keeping up with the beat of the song, that's keeping up with in a conversation. You know, you can speed up your speaking voice when you start singing along to English songs. Again, make sure that it's up to your speed, but this is a great exercise. So we learned a few phrases because that's my fun day, my I don't have to run day. So you've learned a few expressions already within the song. You may already know fun, you know Sunday, but what is fun Sunday? See what I mean? You may understand the vocabulary, but what does the expression mean? So that is what I encourage you to do. It is so fun though. Like I did it for a long time and it was just to show off to my friends that I could speak English, but I did not know what I was saying. Eventually I started learning what I was saying. So that was my example of Manic Monday. You can choose any song, and like I said in the beginning of the video, I was going to share with you the songs that I use to learn English. And so I used to listen to Hilary Duff and Avril Lavigne a lot when I was young. So I used to listen to So Clean, So Yesterday, all these like very cheesy songs, but they helped me a lot. So I would, you know, back when we had CDs, I would pull out the album and I would read the lyrics like in my bedroom and just read them over and over until I memorized it because I wanted to be cool. That was my motivation. So find that motivation. Maybe you want to show off to a friend, to your siblings, to your mom, to your dad, your coworkers, whatever it is, find that motivation that is fun for you. And that is how I use music to improve my pronunciation and my vocabulary. It's my personal experience, but I am sure that a lot of you can get more motivation out of music, and you will improve so much if you just try to have fun with music and learning. You don't even know that you're learning because you're having so much fun. Don't miss free Go Natural English tips by signing up for our emails at gonaturaleneglish.com/email. The link is in the description below. I am so happy to have joined Go Natural English. I, like you, had to learn English at a young age because I came to the US when I was just 12 years old. I had to learn, and I will say, not everybody that came at the same time as me, who is my same age, have the same pronunciation skills. It took a long time and dedication and determination. I was very motivated to learn to be able to speak to Americans like they did, like a native. That was a huge motivation. I wanted to feel like I was one of them. I hope that I encouraged you and I was able to motivate you to improve your English. I am sure that you can be as fluent as you desire. If you like this video, I would suggest you check out this video. It's a great way to start learning to speak like a native. That was my time. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you.